both so the knees are soft, so not locked, and just to stretch in through the low back. So you're gonna let the head fall. It's often nice to see if you can really shift towards the base of the toes without crunching, grabbing them rather, and then just let the head hang, and you get that tip above the bum bones as much as you can so that it really helps to come right off the bottom of the hamstrings. That'll help with the legs. And then you can come on up and you can bend the knees, lift, pivot up from there, come into the balance. So taking the left foot out, pressing the foot behind, rising from the rib cage. So there's this real sense of ascending from the belly button up. So in yoga, we work on rising right from the yoking point, which is the center of gravity. We rise up from there, and there's this plumb line that ascends up. The shoulder is down as opposed to raising the arm. The knee presses down and back possibly, and then the hip comes forward. And we're just, again, looking slightly down and really anchoring into that standing leg. The knee's not locked, it's soft, and you're really lifting out from here. I really love to pull the elbow back, and I love to stretch the toes because that helps with the fascia with the tops of the feet. And so that, and then of course, you would go to the other side. Pressing onto the ball of the foot, the inside arch, just so that the foot isn't turned out and rotating the hip. And then you come, grab onto the base of the toes, rise, feel yourself ascend. And you can do this even before your walk or after your walk or both. It would be great to do after your walk because you'll be really warmed up. And pressing into that standing foot. So again, the balancing poses do help with the acupressure points on the feet. So this could help, especially your good foot. This is a funny thing to know. If your good foot gets better, it could affect your other foot.
Oh, right.
Yeah, so when I injured this arm, I had this in a sling and I went to the gym, and because of the hemispheres, you have about a 10 to 15% carryover into the right arm, which is really cool. So you did both legs, and then you come down and we'll come into the saw. So the legs are just wider than the hips, so about 2 feet apart, or on the outside edge of on a yoga mat. And you come into like a nice tall frame, and you feel the lift from the rib cage, and then you turn like a frame, reach over the leg, extend out, breathe in, come on all the way back up, and then turn, tall, rotate, come forward. And you could do this like I'm gonna do, I'll do 10. I'll do 10, you're reaching forward, come on back up, lifting from the rib cage, play great music. Will your cat come?
Probably.
Yes. they love that. Don't they? You get down to their level and it's like, oh yeah. I don't have a cat, but I often have the neighbor's cat come when I'm practicing. And then, so you do that about 10 times. I'll do 2 more. And again, it's a real lift. So we're attempting not to sit back, but attempting to use the mid-back, low back rather, and then coming back, and then rotate and come forward. And then from here, you can take the legs together. You don't have to reach the heels out. And then you come nice and tall, and then you're gonna come back to the place that you can. The chin is back so that the neck is straight. And then you curl down, lower all the way down. Take the arms over, inhale, lift, which you did really well. And you come back up, and then you saw and reach over the legs as much as you can. Shoulders are down, just so you release the upper back, and then you come back up. The breathing is in and out through the nose. If you're used to exhaling through the mouth from Pilates, that's okay. In yoga, we do it right through the, and I always have to use momentum to come up. We always breathe in and out through the nose, and then coming back up. And again, you could do that up to 10 times, and then you could just stop the video there.